online. OJ, fix the chain, pull up the pants. Take off this one, take off it. Stop this, man. We're both together. 1-9, fall into your here.
Many other persons not here, of course, there are a whole lot of ladies too who are not here, who in the stand made all that noise, and our athletes showed their appreciation by winning. For all of that, we say to God, thanks. It was a wonderful victory. Somebody said to me yesterday evening, well, you can just enjoy this one because you're not winning again.
To see this victory as motivation and to see what can be achieved when you put in hard work, when you're committed to what you're doing, and when you have a healthy competitive spirit. So strive to be like our athletes, and in whatever you do, whether it is academics or any other extracurricular activity, just strive to be excellent. That is what our motto here is, excellence at all times, and in everything we do. And the trophy is packed where it belongs. So, let us celebrate and bask in the victory. Fought is forever.
2, 3.
I'll tell you something about piercing.